Next, we're going to look at representing the sum or difference of two vectors geometrically. And the method that we're going to use is called the triangle method. I'm never going to look at the parallelogram method because that one's quite a bit harder to use. So when I draw out the sum or difference of two vectors, we get what's called the resultant vector, which will be kind of like down here, which is a plus b. Okay, so let's try, we're going to start with one that's adding, and then we'll go to one that is subtracting after that. So let's look at 2a. It wants us to find the vector c plus d. So if I read this, I'm going to start with vector c. I'm going to try and draw vector c to be going the same length and in the same direction to start. So here is vector c. Okay, then I'm going to add on vector d to it. Notice d is going straight up. So from where I finished, I'm going to go straight up the same length and direction as d. The resultant is from where we first start, which is way back here, to where we last finished, which is way up here. So the resultant vector is c plus d. Okay, let's try another one. Except I'm going to go back up here. We're going to find c minus d on this one. So again, we're going to start with vector c. That's what it says. So start with vector c, try and draw it in the same direction, same length. There is vector c. And now when I subtract, notice vector d is going straight up. If I subtract vector d, instead of going up, we're now going down. The same length, just in a completely opposite direction. So from where I stop, I'm going to go down. This is subtracting d. And our resultant, again, is from where we start to where we finish. This would be vector c minus vector d.